Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Jagdale. Today's story is the bundle of a stick. Uh, once upon a time, a very old man lived on a beautiful and a comfortable farm in the country. And and in this from his window, he could see patchwork land. Then the barns filled with the animals, field of grains, and also orchards and the forest beyond. uh, the farm was special to old man, as it had been in his family, and for many generations, and from many generations. Then he had lived there is a whole life, grew up to be a father, and raised his family. And then now his wife was dead, and he too was in the last days of his life. And then the old man should have been content after such fortunate life. But he was not. He lay on his bed, worrying about his grown children, and the children could not children could not seem to get uh, along. The old man heard them uh, quarreling day and the night. And even though the children were good at what they each did, such a farming, working with the animals, carpentry, and cooking or preserving the food they grew. And each child thought their job was the most important, and that the other one did not work hard enough. They were all grown up, but they held against each the other, and they were jealous each other fortune. The old man tried to talking to children about living in peace, but they seemed to grow, and increasingly bitter day after day. Then he felt sure that they would not be able to keep the family farm after he had died, because the sons could not seem to work together or appreciate each other hard work. And then one day, uh, as his strength waned, and the old man had an idea. He called his children to his bedsides, and and then he then he I have I have one last favor to ask of you. He said, I want each one of you to go the jungle and find two sticks. Then bring them here to me tomorrow, and I will explain further. The children did as their father asked, and came to his room the next day with two sticks each. Each. Then thank you, my children, the old man said. And then please see if you can break one of your stick in half. And also asked the old man. Then all the children easily broke their stick in half. Then the old man collected the stick in a bundle and passed it back his children, and said, uh, "Pass the bundle of stick amongst you, and try break to the bundle as it was a single stick." The children passed the bundle around, but not even one of them could break the bundle of sticks. You, you, my children, are like these sticks, the old man said. Mm, then if you go your separate ways and the quarreling, you will each be alone like the individual sticks, and will face the difficulties of a life alone. But if you be together, work together, appreciate one another's strength, then mm, and above all care for each other, you will be powerful like a bundle of stick. Old man the old man all about explain his children, and the children took their father, listened to heart, focusing on what they shared in common, then appreciating of one another's strength, and working together. The old man did peacefully, and the farm remained in the family to generation to come. Then the moral of this story is the bundle of stick story is the moral. Unity is a strength, which means that then you are united, you are powerful, and no one can break us when we are together. Thank you.